Hey, my name is Fabian. I'm a product manager at Stanley Black & Decker, and I'm responsible for our ride-on products in the European market. One of the most fun parts of my job is to use our products and to talk about them. Today, I'm going to show you our XT2 QS117. Let's start with the name. The first two letters define the series of the product, and XT stands for our premium lawn tractor range. The 2 indicates that it is a product out of the mid-segment with XT1s below and XT3s above. And the Q defines the size of the engine, what is in this case a strong Kawasaki V-twin FR series engine with 726 cc. The S stands for side discharge, what means that this is a machine which ejects the clippings to the side. But of course, a mulch kit can be installed, and you can use a separately sold accessory bagger which allows you to collect the clippings. The 117 is the cutting width in centimeters, which we recommend on that model for up to 9,000 square meters, but also for everybody who has a smaller area to mow and wants to get the job done quickly. Now to the features and specification. Let's talk a bit more about the engine. The engine model we use on this machine is an air-cooled 4-stroke V-twin FR651V engine from Kawasaki with max horsepower of 19.4. Kawasaki is a well-known brand for reliable and powerful engines and never a bad choice. This engine model is described by Kawasaki as a high-performance, high-quality engine for residential riding mowers. That ensures a quiet and low vibration operation, what makes it the perfect power source for our XT2. As important as the engine is the mowing deck. This 117 cm mowing deck is a fabricated deck which is made for highest performance and made to last. If you are looking for something to manage challenging conditions, make sure you get one of our models with a fabricated deck. Next to the mowing deck you can find one of our nicest features, the tight turn extreme. This very tight turning radius of only 17 cm makes the unit more maneuverable and even more efficient due to reduced leftover sprigs at the end of each mowing line and in curves. Look how far these tires can be rotated. Now I talked about the power, the performance and the efficiency of the mower, but there is one more area what makes it premium, which is the comfort. Starting with the comfortable high back seat, which is diagonally adjustable to make sure the user can operate the mower in the most economic way. Other than that, the operating forces of the units are very low. If you think about the weight of such a big deck made out of thick steel, you would likely expect that you need a lot of power to lift it up. But no, there is a mechanical spring which supports the deck height adjustment lever, which makes it very easy and effortless to adjust the deck. Last but not least, the hydrostatic transmission, which guarantees you a smooth ride and allows you to mow around each kind of obstacles. Having that said, let me explain and show you how to use the machine. Press the brake pedal. Unlock the parking brake, which is, by the way, also the lever to activate your cruise control when you are driving. Choose the deck height. Adjust the throttle lever to the level you want to, but be careful, a lower RPM setting does not only reduce the drive speed, but also the blade speed and can impact your cut quality. Make yourself familiar with the two-way hydro drive pedal. Press it to the front end to drive forward and press it to the back end to drive rearwards. Very intuitive. Check that there is nobody and nothing on the mowing area. Turn around the key, activate your mowing deck and let's go. The XT2 QS117 is a powerful and efficient mower and the right choice for everybody who is looking for a side discharge machine to handle large areas. And I shouldn't forget to mention our broad offering of attachments and accessories like a snowblade, like for example a tow-behind cart or a sweeper, which makes your XT Cub Cadet tractor a real all-year-round assistance. I love our great products. Go and visit your local Cub Cadet dealer, which you can find on our website cubcadet.eu. Try it out and you will know what I mean.